beautiful people, this is Jess and you're watching Jess Budgets. I wanted to start off by saying thank you so much. I've recently hit 100 subscribers and I still cannot believe it. Thank all 100 plus of you for joining me on my debt-free journey. Hopefully you are motivated and inspired to start your own debt journey or continue yours to achieve your financial goals. I really do appreciate this community and all the love and how motivating it is. Seeing everyone budgeting and, striving to do better each and every week. It really just means a lot to be surrounded by a group of people who want the best for themselves and others as well. So I'm really excited to be doing my first giveaway. I wanted to give something that would be useful, especially coming into the new year. So I decided to give as my first giveaway a budget planner. So this budget planner is undated. It has 12 months of budgeting. It has Christmas budgeting, regular bill trackers, it has expense summaries, and debt and saving organizer. I loved how compact it was and how you can organize all your financial needs in this binder. I didn't want to open it just because I am shipping it out to someone and I wanted it to be brand new and intact. So this is what I'm giving away. I love the fact that it was undated because if, for example, you have a rough start and maybe you budget 1 month and then you kind of fall off the wagon for a month or two, you can always come back and pick up right where you left off and continue from there on. It does have 12 months worth of budgeting, so whether they're 12 consecutive months or 12 sporadic months, you still have them all in here. And I loved how compact and portable this was. You can carry this with you. If you have a medium-sized bag or a book bag, you can carry this along with you. And then to accompany that, I saw this little sticker packet and I thought it would be perfect because, again, this is travel friendly. It's small and the stickers themselves were on the smaller side. So I thought it would work out. And I really like this sticker pack just because of the diversity with the stickers. And it has holidays. It has letters so you can write out stuff in the calendar. You can write out the months on top if you wanted to as well. And cute foiled stickers with the cutest designs. And this is compact, and if you're interested in entering the giveaway, you must be publicly subscribed. You must like and comment budget planner so I know you want to enter, and also leave me either an email or an Instagram handle so I can reach out to you and get you your prize. And lastly, you must be willing to give me a mailing address to send it out to you. And that is it. This giveaway will be for US subscribers only. So what I'll do is I'll record the drawing and let Lady Luck pick the winner. And then I'll post it in my next video, which will be on this day. Because I don't know what day it is. That's why I put it here. And that is it. That's all you have to do to enter the giveaway. I just wanted to thank you all so much again for subscribing to my channel and following me and keeping me motivated. I really do appreciate it. And now, back to the video. So we are setting up December. So I have my December layout, and I tend to work in pencil first, and then I kind of pull back in and set it in pen. My bills are kind of set, and then sometimes I like to go in with stickers. But we don't have any ink left, so we're just gonna work with our pen this month. So I like to first go in and put my expenses. These bills are auto pay, so what I do is I honestly just look at the date that it comes out on auto bill. It's usually the same day, give or take, so I make that the due date, and then I know I have to have money that week. I have two bills which are I have two bills which are annual bills, but I take out money from my account each month for the annual payment. And those two bills, what I do is I break it up into two different paychecks. So I make one due for my first check and then the other due for my second check. So the only thing I don't like sometimes about the rings is if you have a 2-month spread and you're trying to write in here, it's a little uncomfortable. I mean, the convenient part is that you can pull it out and write, which is what I do. In case anyone's interested, I'm using the Sharpie S Gel Pen 0.7. That is that. Then I like to go in with my paydays. So I'm actively trying to use up my stickers and stuff that I have. I'm a bit of a hoarder when it comes to my supplies sometimes. So I'm forcing myself to use stuff that I have. So I am going to use these stickers that I have. I have this one and it's kind of like a TV, so I guess that could be cable, but I don't know why it reminds me of YouTube. So I was thinking about using this for my YouTube filming days, but I don't know. I think it's a TV, so I can do my internet with it, which I think it's what I'm going to do. And then my phone, this looks like a phone to me, so we're gonna do phone. Put it on this side. Didn't write down my credit card payment, which is, and I'm gonna use this for a credit card. And that's one credit card, and then our second credit card is due, I think it's the 26th, and that's my second one. And then we need to put in our pay periods. See if I have any stickers for that. And then we have our house payment, and then our car payment here. For my bill pay stickers, I'm going to use these two that I have since I get paid bi-weekly, and I will be getting paid the 3rd. Probably should have put this sticker lowered. Let's see if we can move it. Okay, let's see if we can move it. Oh, we did it. So I'm gonna put this as the, whatever, it's staying like that. So this is paycheck 2, guys. A for effort. And so we have our paychecks, we have our stickers, and we have our due dates. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna leave this here so that I can use these money signs once I make the payment. So once I pay off these items, I'll put these stickers next to it to indicate that it's been paid. and I can see at a glance whether I've paid something or not. So that is how I'm setting up my monthly calendar. I will then use this side in order to set my goals for the month. Right, so I'll go ahead and put to do on here. Actually, it's like rounded, but I'm just gonna make it a square. I mean a rectangle. So it can fit in here. So I'm gonna set my goals here, and I'll just go ahead and do that off camera. And this is basically how I set up my monthly calendar for the month of December for my budgeting purposes. So through there, here is where I'll put all my goals that I want to achieve this month. And then I set it up for when I pay my bills. I can put sticker on there and be set. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and comment down below if you enjoyed this content, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.